Hey Taco fam, welcome back to yet another amazing YouTube video. And if you're new, thank you so much for checking me out, and I hope you love it here. Today's video, we are going to be upcycling a skirt, and I've done a video like this before, but this time it's gonna have a bit of a twist. And tune in so that you can see where the twist comes. And as you all know now that I upcycle most of the time, so today I'll be using my mother's skirt. You're going to start by fitting the skirt to see how it fits on your body, and you know how much you have to cut out. That is just an easy pattern to use as you're doing it for yourself. But if then you're doing it for somebody else, then you have to take their measurements to know how much you have to cut off. After measuring and marking how much you need to cut off, lay down and start cutting it. Because the skirt had a zip in the middle and I want to leave it there, you're just going to cut on the side, both sides equally. So to do that precisely and waste no time, I'm just going to fold the skirt and then draw the line, pin it so that it doesn't. I am really starting to get a hang of this. So now we're just gonna sew on the side and make it a dress. Moving on to the upper part of the dress where your sleeves are gonna be attached to. So now you're just gonna do a strap like fabric from the front over the shoulder to the back. So this skirt has a petticoat like fabric under the skirt, which I'm going to use for my sleeves as it is very light than the fabric for the whole dress. So with the pattern of the sleeves, you can just download any pattern on Google for the sleeves and just make it a bit bigger as you don't want it to be too tight on your skin. Just like that, the dress is done, and I'm just gonna try it on. Fingers crossed it fits the way I want it to, and I love it. If you made it up till the end of this video, you might as well just subscribe, do this girl a little favor, and hit on the like button. And I hope to see you guys back in the next video.